Ladies and gentlemen, 2021 Mercedes Benz 250 Sprinter diesel. If you're looking for the heater element circuit for the O2 sensor, see, let's pick it up. So you have to unplug, same plug like the other one. Push your thumb right here, flick this up, and to take this little cap off, let me show you guys. Where's the cap? See this little cap? To take this little cap off, see right in front here? There's the back, this is the front. Stick a flathead screwdriver, come right there, lift it up. Alright, once you take that out, you're gonna get the wires. You lift up the harness, you turn it upside down. It's gonna be a, what color is this? This a green and blue, light blue, right here. Get it with one hand, so work with me. Let me see. Get to pull it up right here. Boom. So this one. Yep, so the pin. So this one here. Green with that little light blue strip. That's a heater element O2 sensor wire. Alright? That's what comes from, signal come from the computer and go back to the sensor. Alright, so that's the wire. This is a heater wire. Alright, so 2021 Mercedes Benz 250 2.0 liter turbo diesel. The heater element sensor is green and blue. Light blue, sky blue, whatever you want to call it. And on the pin, when you count in, let me see if I can give you a good side. Well, it's upside down. So if you start from the end, we'll spot the wires and then come from with a. If you start from the end, they're going to be number 7. Number 7 wire pin up here. Alright, you see all that little, see if I can hear better focus. Alright, so it could be the number 7 wire on the top row. See if I could do it with 2 hands. Alright, put down the camera now. So it's going to be this wire. So it's going to be, so you come from here. We'll spot the end of the plug. The wires come here. So you're going to come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See them right spot there. 7. See right there? That's that wire. Number 7. That's for the heater element sensor. Once you check it from the computer and you see what the computer is giving out, and you come over to the wire, same color wire over here. See? So over here on the O2 sensor, same wire, green. Put on my light. So it's right there, the same wire, green and that light blue. See the light blue strip? Yep. See right there? That's a heater element wire. And it comes down here. Comes up. That's the heater element wire. Alright? Hopefully that was helpful. Like and subscribe. 2021 Mercedes Benz Sprinter 2.0